In this video, I'll demonstrate the Compare Files feature of FolderMatch. There are many reasons why you might want to compare two files. For this demo, let's imagine a proofreader has just sent you the edited version of your latest book, and he's forgotten to turn on Track Changes in Microsoft Word. You really want to see the changes he's made to your masterpiece, but doing the traditional side-by-side comparison is frustrating to say the least. But we can use FolderMatch to take the pain out of such a comparison. Select Compare Files, drag your original and edited versions into the two boxes, and we're good to go. Just click on Ready. As in the traditional method, you still get the side-by-side windows, but that's where the similarity ends. As each line in the text is selected, comparison details appear underneath. Let's go back to the first line and examine those details. Our proofreader has inserted a comma right there. Good job. On the next line, he's added S, so it makes more sense. And here, he's changed laying to the more correct lying. He's quite picky. We've been seeing these results at character level. That's the default. Depending on the actual project, we may prefer to show the differences at word level or line level. For example, here's what it looks like at word level. But it gets even better. FolderMatch can be told to work directly with Microsoft Word. Let me show you. And hey presto, there it all is in Word. And as you can see, FolderMatch has reverse engineered the Track Changes feature of Word, with the changes shown in the accustomed manner. That's just the tip of the iceberg for the Compare Files feature in FolderMatch. So simple, yet so effective.